Hello children, myself Priyanka Samath welcomes you in our new lesson number 9 measurement part 1. I hope you are doing well. See children, the concept of measurement is very important in our day-to-day life. In that length, mass is also called as weight, and capacity are used in day-to-day life. Students, can you tell me about your height, about your weight, and how much water you drink every day? For all these, measurement is necessary, which we are going to learn in this lesson. Measurement we use to measure the physical quantities like length, area, mass, temperature, etc., which expressed in the standard unit. And for measuring these physical quantities like length, area, mass, temperature, we used different instruments. Now we will take introduction of that instrument. So let's we see first the definition of measurement. See children, what is the definition of measurement? How can we tell the measurement in the definition form? See, while measuring length, weight or capacity in real life situation, we may use the other units too, apart from standard units. For example, a medicine of 50 ml, or gold of 20 milligram, that is gold of 20 mg, etc. The system of units which we use to measure length, weight and capacity is called the metric system of measurement. It's called the metric system of measurement. Right children? See children, in this lesson you have to study the measurement of length, then measurement of mass and measurement of capacity. Okay? For these children, we are using different instruments. See, suppose children, I told you that students draw the line of 3 centimeter. Then how can you do? Yes, first you have to use this ruler. You all have this. All of you have this in your pouch, in your compass. Okay. Then how can you measure the line? First, you will take the point from this 0. Okay. And then second point, you will keep on 3. Then you will join this point and you will get this line segment which is of measure 3 centimeter. Right children? Now you can give its name AB. AB is of 3 centimeter. This is the line segment. By this way you have measured the line. Now children, for what? For this what you used? Yes, you used of this ruler. It is of how many centimeter? 15 centimeter. It is the small size. It is in the small size. Many students, they have the larger size scale also, which is having the 30 centimeter lining. Right children? Then see, one more tape I have. This is the measuring tape. This is the meter scale. Okay. How much its length? 3 meter, 13 millimeter. See, this is the meter scale. In that, upper one are the inches. Upper one value, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the inch value. And when it will on 12, then it will be 1 feet. When it will come on 12, then it will be 1 feet. Like this, carpenter or in many shops, in cloth shop or in anywhere, they used such a type of scale. Right children? And these are the little marking. It is of millimeter. Okay? As you counted 1 centimeter, means it is 10 millimeter. 2 centimeter means 20 millimeter, 3 centimeter means 30 millimeter, like this. Okay, so such a meter scale is used for measuring the furniture, plywood, cloth, etc., or mostly carpenter make use of this. Okay students, see now let's, when we move towards our next topic, that is for measuring the mass and for measuring the capacity, I will show you different instruments. Do you know children, for measuring the temperature which instrument we used? When you got ill and when you trouble with your fever, then at that time you use thermometer, right? Thermometer. So for measuring the temperature we use thermometer also. Okay children, now without wasting our time, let's we see our warming up of this lesson. See children, this is the warming up. Question number A is, arrange these in the increasing order of length. The smallest one is marked 1. What is the question student? Arrange these in the increasing order of length. Arrange these in the increasing order of length. There are 4 items given. First is pressure cooker, second one is sleeper, third one is crayon, and fourth one is tree. The smallest one among these students, definitely you can tell me that the crayon is having smaller size than remaining one. Okay, so as if you measure the length of it, so you will find out it is of 1 point something or 1.4 and all, so it is number 1. Then next bigger size than crayon is what? It is sleeper, right? So we can give it 2 number. Then pressure cooker, you will not measure the only base of that cooker, you will measure the length from this point to handle. Okay, means this is the complete length of the pressure cooker. Okay, so naturally it will get the 3rd number, and the largest height carries to tree, which belongs to 4th number. So the question was, arrange these in the increasing order of length. According to the length, we have given them the number. Okay student, now let's we see the next question. What is the approximate mass? Mass means weight. Yes, generally we say that, what we say that, if I want to ask your weight, then how I will ask this? Tell me your weight. Okay, so now what will you tell me? 5 gram or 5 kg? I am taking just example. Okay, a small kids, they have the 5 kg weight. Now you are the students of 4th standard, naturally you have the weight mostly 25 kg or 30 kg, 35 kg near about. Okay, so in kg you are telling me the weight, right? So gram is used for the smaller quantity and kilogram we use for the major quantity, right children? Means gram is less than the kilogram. Now see the first item. What is the question first? What is the approximate mass, weight of each of these? There are so many items given, you have to circle the correct weight. Okay, circle the correct option. See which item is given here? Sharpener. Naturally sharpener is of 5 gram or 5 kg. Yes, it is a small weight, that is it is of 5 gram. Then apple, now 100 milligram and 100 gram. Milligram is smaller than the gram, and apple has the weight. When you hold apple in your hand, so it carries weight, so naturally it will be of 100 gram. Okay, the next one is, this boy has a weight 25 kg or 250 gram. Gram is smaller than kg, naturally his weight measured in kg. Then book, now gram is a smaller quantity and book is heavy, so it is not of book is not heavy. It means book is not heavy, which we can measure in 100 kg. 100 kg is so highest weight. Okay, so it will be of 500 gram. 500 gram only means weight of one book can be 500 gram. Then weight of this car now 1000 kg or 1000 gram. It can be a 1000 gram, so it would be a 1000 kg. Then weight of this bread 20 gram or 20 milligram. Yes, it's have the weight, so it is of 20 gram. Okay children, according to this you have to identify that what actually that atoms have a weight. Okay, you can hold this. See, now I have these two rulers. One is the plastic ruler and second is the meter ruler, and both having the same size, that is 15 centimeter. Okay, but then also it is heavier than this. Plastic atom doesn't carry so much weight than the metal atoms. Okay, so these metal atom, this metal ruler have the more weight than plastic one. Okay children, according to the atoms you have to identify their weight. Now next, see the question. Take the approximate measure. Take the approximate measure. Now children, see, this is the packed juice can. Okay, now how can it hold inside it? Means what is the capacity of this? 600 milliliter or 10 liter? 10 liter can't hold this, right? It is 600 milliliter. Then 5 ml and 6 liter. How much water can occupy in this bucket? 5 milliliter or 6 liter. So it will be a 6 liter. Mostly bucket carries in liter. Okay. Then this dropper containing ink or medicine, 100 ml or 5 ml? Yes, it is of 5 ml size. Then this water bottle, it contains 1 liter or 100 ml. It is not a water bottle. You can say it is the serum of injection or all. It is of 100 ml. No, it is a water bottle. So it will contains the 1 liter water. 1 liter water into that. Okay, it is a water bottle only, not a medicine, not used in the medicine purpose. Okay, then this is the glass containing water. So how much water can hold in the glass? 10 ml or 100 ml? Yes, 100 ml water can adjust in the glass. Then this is the spoon containing any liquid material. So how many it contains? 2 liter or 10 milliliter? 2 liter can be possible, so it contains the 10 milliliter. Okay children, so here we have completed the warm up point, and our next topic is measurement of length. In that we have to see units of length. Now what are the units of length? See, millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. Millimeter, centimeter. See, millimeter, m, and this m, mm. C and this m, cm, centimeter. Meter only m, and kilometer, km, kilometer are units of the length. Understood children? Suppose if I asked you then how much is the distance from your school to your home? So what you told me? Madam, 3. No, na? It will not valid. So how can you tell? Ma'am, 3 kilometer. Ma'am, 3 kilometer. Such a way to give the answer. Right? So we use the units. That's why we have to use here the units for length. See, kilometer is the biggest unit. Kilometer is the biggest unit. Okay. And millimeter is the smallest unit. Millimeter is the smallest unit. Okay. See, a scale, a meter rod and a measuring tape are used to measure different lengths. Just now in this video I have shown it. Okay. See, this is the plastic ruler. Okay. It is of measured 15 centimeter, and this is the wooden scale. It is of measure more than 30 centimeter, and this is the measuring tape. Okay student. Now see the relation between the units. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, or you can say 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 1000 millimeter is equal to 1 meter. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Understood, children? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Now look this chart. Units used for measuring. Where we use this? For measuring the distance, for measuring the height, and for measuring the length. When we measure the distance, at that time what we used? Meter, kilometer. When we measure the height, at that time we use centimeter, meter. And when we measure the length, at that time we use millimeter, centimeter, meter. Understood, children? Now this was all about the explanation part. When we solved the problems based on the exercise 9.1, in that part your ideas will be clear. I hope you understood this. Thank you. Have a nice day.